Plukon Food Group is one of the largest players in the European poultry market, supplying leading food partners across the continent with a variety of chicken products and ready-made meals. It operates 27 branches in 6 countries, where 9 million chickens are slaughtered and processed every week. For many years, Plukon had faced the same issue as many other poultry processors, namely the high giveaway on retail trays. Plukon Moeskroen decided to invest in a Marelec grading system to reduce the giveaway on the trays between 500 grams and 3 kilograms. The Marelec solution consists of a double-line grading system that receives fillets from 2 filleting lines that are positioned one above the other to provide the smallest footprint. The position of the grading lines, in association with the intelligent batching algorithm, ensures the ideal combination of fillets to produce the lowest possible giveaway, while increasing the production capacity.
2 years ago, we decided to invest in a new grader to improve on our giveaway on our fillet lines. We came into contact with Marelec, a partner of ours. We decided to buy the machine, we installed it, and the good thing is we improved a lot better than even expected on giveaway. So we are quite happy with the system. So our congrats to the Marelec team. Go on with it, I should say.